Welcome aboard Jackson Model Railroad. Project number 12 is the Freight Depot by Casey's Workshop. Here are the contents of the kit. I start the project using a pounce wheel to score the wood to make nail holes. Next, I flip the walls over and install the bracing. After bracing, I stain the walls and the floors. After the stain is dried, I apply painter's tape. Next, I apply vintage white acrylic craft paint for the first color. I use a sponge to daub the paint on, which gives it a weathered and aged look. After the paint is dried, I mask off the next section and then apply a coat of berry wine acrylic craft paint. The next step in the process is priming the windows and doors, then painting the windows the trim color. Here I've installed the windows and I'm test fitting the dock doors. The next step in the process is framing up the walls. After the building is squared up, I then install the trim, which I've painted the same color as the windows. The next step in the process is creating the roof. I've used black craft paper, which I sprayed with gray primer to give it a different hue. Once the roof was completed, I moved on to installing the open dock doors. Here I'm cutting and testing the posts for the raised dock floor. And now the payoff is the completed kit, painted, weathered, and stained. I put a boxcar on a piece of track next to my structure to make sure that I have the dock height correct. Thank you for joining me on Jackson Model Railroad, and we'll see you at the next stop.